Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up motion detection zones on Ring Doorbell. To do this, first you'll need to click on the gear icon next to your camera feed inside the app, then navigate to motion settings. Inside we have camera motion zones. We can click on it, and here you will see something like this. Then you can see all of the zones below, and everything outside the zone won't be counting as a motion detection. So that means this corner right here, it won't work for motion detection. So next thing we can do here is add additional zones by clicking on add zone. Then you can just drag it around like that. So let's cover that one on the top left corner. We can click on done, and there's also multiple different zones that you can find right here, and if you want to remove them, just click on that zone. You can also edit it that way and click on the bin button in the bottom right corner, and the zone should be removed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.